Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear Spotify cache memory. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to clear your Spotify cache, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the top left corner, tap on it. Now choose the settings and privacy option. Now that you're in the settings page, tap on this data saving and offline option. Now scroll down to the bottom and in the storage section at the bottom you can see clear cache option. Beside that you can see the clear button. You can tap on it and tap on this clear cache option. And that's it. That's how you can easily clear your Spotify cache memory. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.